Good morning, little one. What a beautiful garden morning. Oh! A bird made a nest here. There are 3 eggs inside. First, I water all my flowers. Water every morning when the sun is gentle. Oh no! This plant needs help. The soil is too dry. I dig the soil to help the roots breathe. Loose soil helps plants grow. I plant a new healthy one here. This one will grow strong. Keep watching. More Garden English coming. And my garden has one more surprise. I trim the bushes to keep them neat. A tidy garden makes me happy. I pull out the weeds between the flowers. Weeds steal water from my plants. Oh, look at all these tomatoes! They are ready to pick today. I pick tomatoes when they are red. Red means they are ready to eat. No, little one. That is not for you. That tomato is for dinner. I sweep the garden path every morning. A clean path is welcoming. After gardening, I sit and rest. Fresh air and nature are very good for you. Water, dig, plant, trim, pull, pick, sweep. 7 garden verbs. Say them with me now. You know them all. Do not say, I cut the flowers. Say, I picked the flowers. More natural. Remember this always. Today you learned 7 garden verbs. And every morning my garden gives me joy. Subscribe to Nana English Daily now. New English lesson every 2 days. See you soon!